Hello guys, the next thing of the day we are going to concentrate doing is a windmill. You have to fold the paper just like shown in the picture, and you have to attach to the center of it, drill a hole in the center and attach a strand to it so that it looks exactly like a windmill. It will be very cute if you add some stars also. The next thing of the day we are going to create is a rose. You have to see how well the folding for the rose has been done here. It should be very perfect, so you have to concentrate on the small foldings also. You have to concentrate how well the folding has been done here with the help of the finger itself. With the help of orange color paper, you can see the final look of the rose. The next thing, the last thing of the day we're going to create is a rose with the help of a blue paper. Here we're going to create a blue rose. You have to cut out the exact thing that has been shown in the video and attach a tape to it, and you have to roll it over so that it looks like the rose petals on the top. Just look at how beautifully the petals have turned out. For the leaves and other things, we're going to take green paper so that it will give us a greenish look and it will give us a stem and leaf look as well. You can see how well the leaves has been attached. For the entire stem we are also gonna cover it with a green sheet. So take a green sheet, cut out the similar thing that has been shown in the picture and roll it over the entire stem of the rose so that it looks perfect. Here we are gonna concentrate on detailing of the rose as well. It looks so perfect and so cute. Thank you for watching the video.